Are you a little overwhelmed thinking about where you're going to go after the divorce? Are you losing sleep because you just don't know what to do? Here are 3 steps to help you put a plan in place. Hi, I'm Allison Miller. This can be a little overwhelming, but I found by putting a plan in place, it takes the guesswork out of your next step. First, now that you've decided to sell your home, you're going to want to have a discussion with your realtor about the net proceeds of the sale. You're going to want to know how those proceeds are going to be split with your ex-spouse and understand when those funds are going to be available to you. Second, once you know the approximate amount of those funds, you need to decide whether you're going to buy or you're going to rent for a period of time. Regardless of what choice that is, you want to make sure you put a budget together. That way, we know the new income situation for you and whether purchasing or renting may be a better option. And last, once you have that budget and you're deciding to buy, you want to contact a lender to make sure that you can get pre-approved. That pre-approval may be contingent upon the sale of that home. If you're not able to get pre-approved, then we need to go to Plan B and find that rental home for you. Lender conditions are constantly changing, so it's so important to get that pre-approval before you sell the home so we have a plan in place. I know that just because you have good credit or you may think that you can get pre-approved, sometimes that doesn't happen, and we don't want any unforeseen problems after you sell the home. So by taking these 3 steps, you're going to be able to put a plan in place for the next chapter of your life with selling your home. And please, I'm not an attorney and I'm not a tax accountant, so please contact the appropriate parties for specific information on your divorce. As always, I'm Allison Miller, helping you bring it all.